In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a section. If you keep private notes in OneNote, things like finances, planning documents, or anything you don't want others to see, adding a password to a section is a simple way to keep it secure while still keeping your notebook organized and easy to use. First, open your notebook and locate the section you want to protect. A section is the colored tab along the top or side of your notebook that groups pages together. When you're ready, right-click the section tab on your computer. If you're on a phone or tablet, long press the section tab instead. This brings up the options for that section. From the menu, choose Password Protect this section. You'll then see an option to add password. Go ahead and select that. A pane will appear asking you to enter a password and confirm it. Type your password carefully, then re-enter it to confirm. Choose something strong and memorable to you. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols if you can. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive, and if you forget this password, you won't be able to recover the contents of that section. It's a good idea to store the password somewhere safe. When you're confident it's correct, click OK to apply it. After you've set the password, you'll notice a small lock icon appear next to the section. That icon indicates the section is now protected. To secure it right away, click the lock icon to lock the section immediately. Once locked, the pages inside won't be visible until you enter the password again. You'll still see the section name, but the content remains hidden and encrypted until you unlock it. From this point on, anytime you or someone else opens that section, OneNote will prompt for the password. This protection carries across your devices, so the section stays safe whether you're on desktop or mobile. Remember that protection is applied per section, so if you have multiple sections with sensitive content, repeat these steps for each one you want to secure. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Avoid obvious passwords, don't share them in chats or emails, and consider using a reputable password manager to keep track of them. Also, give OneNote a moment to sync after adding a password, especially if you use multiple devices. That's all there is to it. Right-click or long press the section tab, choose Password Protect this section, select Add Password, enter and confirm, click OK, and then click the lock icon to secure it immediately. Your notes are now protected and ready for peace of mind.